What's up? It's the People Shark, Daymond John. Fresh off the success of the first ever Making It with Lowe's, we're back to support diverse small business owners by giving them the unique opportunity to pitch their product to Lowe's executives and have it sold in-store and online at Lowe's.
I'm honored and humbled to be selected.
Now you've got a meal container that'll give you a hot meal. It's like carrying around a portable microwave oven.
I'm proud to present to you our learning blankets and educational tapestries, products that both inspire children to learn and explore.
One day I was grocery shopping with my mom, and I noticed that all the strawberries seemed to have some fuzz growing at the bottom. That was when I had that first aha moment where I thought, I wonder what would happen if I dipped berries in my mixture.
The Quick Sizer, a precision diameter gauge designed for instant measuring.
And I'm trying to contact the big sprinkler head manufacturers with my patented invention. And they said, get lost.
It fits onto most thin-walled plastic electrical boxes like this.
I stand here today, ready and capable to make it with Lowe's.
The really cool thing about it is a lot of people don't realize that Lowe's started as a small business ourselves. We started in a small town in North Wilkesboro, North Carolina, 100 years ago. So we're, fortunate to be 100 years old, but we also were fortunate to have a lot of other businesses helping us along the way. So that's really what we want to do with Making It with Lowe's, is help these small and diverse vendors have an opportunity to get their foot in the door at Lowe's. We have a group of merchants who then go through literally every single application. They spend time reading the stories, they spend time understanding what the products are, and they start talking to each other about saleability.
With this thermoelectric device, we can boil water with a battery.
He took me down to the Lowe's and we pieced together some in the aisle there. Wow, let's try to sell these.
Even having a 1 or 2 day extension in shelf life can do tremendous things for how many people a food bank is able to feed.
The top 14 also brought innovation. So brought new ideas, new things that we haven't necessarily seen before, and we love that.